Good morning, guys. So it is currently Tuesday the 10th. What is it? March 10th. And I am in so much pain. It's not even funny. I'll explain why. So I don't know if you guys remember, but earlier last year, your girl said she was gonna start her fitness journey, and it lasted for about 2 weeks, and then I stopped. I didn't have the motivation and nothing. So I was like, whatever, not gonna do that anymore. I guess fitness is just not for me. But I actually want to get back into it because fitness is important in my boyfriend's life, and I also want it to be important in my life too, because I want to have a better body, of course. I think everybody wants a better body or whatever. And so eventually one day I will be getting married. I don't know when, but I will be. So when I do get married, I want the body that is considered my dream body or whatever. So I'm never gonna get that dream body if I don't start now. So that's what I'm doing. I started 3 days ago. I did legs 2 days in a row. So I was already hurting yesterday, like so bad. And then I did upper body yesterday, and my boyfriend helped me, showed me what I needed to do and stuff like that. So I did arms, obviously, you know, upper body, so back, arms. What else is an upper body? I don't know. I did upper body, and now my whole body hurts. Literally everything hurts. So I'm currently dying. I literally feel like I can't move. It hurts to sit down. Like right now it hurts. Like everything is just painful, but it's fine. We know that we're doing something. It's working, you know what I mean? So I actually have, this isn't safe, my protein shake here, not sponsored, but I struggle with getting my protein in hardcore, or just like any of my macros in general, because your girl doesn't eat a lot. I mean, I eat a lot, but not of like, I guess, the right things I need to be eating. So these protein shakes are perfect. It is the Premier Protein. It's 30 grams of protein just in this little shake. So I shall be eating that, or drinking it, I guess, drinking it soon. It's currently 11:35, so I'm trying to fast a little bit, but I'm on my way to Dunkin now to get a bagel. So as soon as I get that bagel, the fast is over, because I'm gonna be eating it up. So I will be eating this soon. So I just think this is really good. This is the flavor chocolate. I've tried caramel, I've tried cookies and cream, and I think I've tried vanilla. All of them are good, but this one is my all-time favorite, and I don't think I really would prefer to drink any of the other ones just because they're just not for me. So like I said, your girl doesn't get enough protein in, so this is the way I'm getting it in, and I shall be doing that and drinking it later. I also have these breakfast bars, which are really good. This one's kind of squished. I haven't eaten in a while. It's the I don't know how you say it. It's this one. They're 200 calories. It's oats and chocolate, and it is so good for like a little breakfast or like a little snack if you're hungry in the morning, because I know like when I used to work at 6:30 in the morning when I worked a tropical smoothie, I would be so hungry by like 8 o'clock, which was awful because I was trying to fast then. So I would sometimes have to break my fast, and I would eat this, and it's pretty good. I would read you what is in it, but I'm driving, so that's probably not the safest idea. But like I said, these are really good. I tried, they have protein ones, which is oats, chocolate, and honey, but I personally did not like that one. I don't know why. It wasn't soft baked, so it wasn't as soft. It was a little harder, but it just wasn't as good. So yeah, that wasn't good. So anyway, back to working out. I'm gonna start working out again. I have my boyfriend's support and help. He is like really good in the gym, so I have him. I also have a workout guide that I sometimes follow, sometimes don't, or I just use it as a guide, I guess. So today I will be doing abs, possibly, if I'm not dying. I'm still dying, but like, I'm gonna be doing abs today, and I'm gonna just be looking at one of my favorite Instagrammers' Instagram, because she does workout videos on her Instagram, which I think are super helpful. So I'm gonna just be looking off of her ab ones and just be doing some of those because I need to get a workout in today. Tomorrow I start my job back up, so I'm gonna take a rest day tomorrow, and then on Thursday and Friday I shall be working out again. But yeah, so I'm hopefully gonna just be getting back into fitness, and like I want it to be like good again. I need to start taking before and after pictures so I can see like my results, and I feel like before and after pictures are really important for me, like specifically just because if I'm working out so long and don't see a difference, it's gonna discourage me, and I'm just not gonna want to do it anymore, and I'm gonna want to give up. So if I have pictures and I look back and I actually see that I've made progress, it'll help a lot. So I shall be doing that. I need to take a couple progress pictures today. Actually, I think I'm gonna take some just to show like where I'm beginning, I guess you would say. And then my boyfriend's gonna measure everything so I can also see like my measurements go up, which would be awesome. And then I'm just excited to get back into fitness. It helps me if I have cute gym clothes. So I shall, once I get a couple paychecks, I'm going to be buying some new workout outfits probably, which I'm really excited for. There's a new launch for one of my favorite people ever, and I really want one of her leggings that are coming out, but we'll see if I actually get it or not. But yeah, that's what's been going in my life for the last 3 days. I've been working out. I've been dying. I don't know if you guys would be interested in me possibly showing you guys some of the butt workouts I've been doing at home, or what I will be doing at home, because the gym makes me uncomfortable sometimes. So like doing a couple things at home makes me feel a little bit better. So maybe I'll do a video showing you my recent butt workout, I guess, like that I'm going to be doing. I also have a booty band, so I use that, which I think that's why I'm actually in so much pain, because that booty band though is so good. But I'm dying, and I think that's just like it. But yeah, so fitness is gonna be back in my life. I gotta drink more water. I need something that makes me excited to drink water, or like gives me motivation to drink water, because I am not motivated to drink water at all, ever. I am obsessed with my soda or like anything but water. I can drink maybe half a bottle of water and then I'm like bored, or I'm done, or it's disgusting or whatever. So leave recommendations down below on what you think would help me get more water intake, because I'm struggling on that for sure. I found like some cute like water bottle things, but like I never feel like they make me excited like the first week maybe, and I'm like, oh my gosh, this is so cute, I'm gonna drink so much water. And then like after a week I'm like, I hate water, I'm never doing this again. So I don't know, I just feel like I need to find something where I drink more water, because I don't do that. And like I said, I need to eat more protein and better foods, healthier foods, because I like to eat Chick-fil-A, Dunkin Donuts. I like to eat Chinese food. I like to eat pizza. Like I need to like get on the healthier food area. I need to eat some good stuff, which I usually don't eat. It's just gonna be so hard because I'm such a fast food person. So like that's where I'm struggling at the most, is giving up my fast food. But like I won't be giving it up, because my boyfriend and I used to do cheat meals all the time. So like we do a cheat meal once a week for like our good, I guess, week of eating healthy, which helped a lot. But at the same time it didn't, because I would eat that and I'd be like, the next day I'd want more, which is like so bad. But like that's what happened. But we're gonna get back to eating healthy, eating our cheat meals and all of that stuff, and I'm really excited because I know it'll be good for me, healthier for me in the long run. But I'm in so much pain and I don't know if I can continue. I feel like I'm so excited, but I'm not at the same time, because I'm in so much pain. So I'm like, is it really going to be worth it to be in pain, because I'm so sore like almost every day because of my workout, but like it's gonna be so rewarding at the same time because of my workout, you know what I mean? So that's what I'm struggling with. That's what I'm gonna figure out, but it's gonna be great, I can promise you that. But I'm at Dunkin, so let me order my food and then I'll get back to you guys. Oh, I have my Dunkin. I just got an everything bagel with cream cheese like I always get. But I'm gonna eat this and then I'm going to go home and I don't know. I'm gonna go home and I gotta edit some videos. I gotta make some TikToks. I still have a lot to do today, but I'm getting so much done and it's only like 11:46 and that makes me so excited. I already have, it just makes me so excited to just like, having a productive day is the best, I think. honestly. But like at the same time, I'm tired because I'm getting so much done, you know? But like, yay, we're getting so much done. So proud of myself. But yeah, so thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for hanging with me. Thanks for listening to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.